guys, yeah, please excuse my hair. So today I want to do a flat twist updo. So and the flat twist updo will have a twist to it. I want to flat twist my hair going upwards, but then have a section of my hair at the front with a perm rod set. And I already did a video on how to flat twist, exactly how to flat twist. So if you're interested in knowing how to do so, please click the link above somewhere around here, yeah, to know how to do so before you watch this video, so that it makes it easier for you to understand what I'm doing. Like the products that I'm going to use today are my organic shea butter. It's called PERM Organic Shea Fantasy. I got this shea butter at Beauty Options at 520 shillings. Yeah, and then, but I'm only going to use this product on the front part where I'm going to do my perm rod set. I don't use it on the rest of my hair because I don't need to. My hair is moisturized, it's sealed, it's okay, but I need to use it on at the front part in order to make the curls, to hold the curls in short. Yeah, and then I'm also going to use water again only on the front part of my hair. I don't use it on the rest of my hair. Yeah, I got this bottle at Ibrahim supermarket at around 180 shillings, almost 200 shillings. Yeah, Ibrahim supermarket along Moy Avenue Street. Yeah, I'm going to use my Afro pick, my Afro comb. I used to have a rat tail comb which I used to part my hair with, but it got lost. I don't know where it is, so I'm just going to work with this for today. What I usually do to make my process of doing my flat twist easier, I usually separate my hair into the sections. For example, if I want my flat twist to be around 8, I'm going to separate my hair into 8 sections, so that once I'm done with parting my hair, I finish that chapter and then go ahead and flat twist, and then I'm done. I use my hands to give me like a guideline, okay, like a guideline on how much hair I need for different sections. So roughly, this is what I need for my perm rod set. And so to make the parting neater, I'm going to use my comb. So this is the thing, you want a straight, clean line. If I want to part my hair from here to around here, I'm going to place 2 fingers from where I'm going to start and where I'm going to end. And then I'm going to use my comb to part the line. But then once I start parting, I don't stop until I reach the other finger, like this. So you see, my finger was around here and the other one was around here. So I started parting, and I don't lift the comb until I reach the other finger. That way the parting will be very neat. Okay, so you see it's starting to form the neat part that I need. Okay, so I think this is pretty much it. The line is quite neat. So that's how I part my hair. So this is it. I've parted the lines that I needed. I have the neat lines that I want. So I'm going to put this away to work on the other section that I'm going to flat twist. So this is where I'm going to put my perm rod set. So I'm done parting my hair, and I've separated my hair into 5 sections. I have 2 on this side and 2 on this other side, and then one at the top. So this is where I'm going to put my palm rod sets, and then this is where I'm going to do my flat twists. I'm done flat twisting my hair. You can use a pin to, you know, tuck in the ends of the flat twist, but for me I just prefer braiding them together and then tucking them in. I'm done with the flat twists, so we're going to tackle this other part where I'm going to put my palm rods. So I have my palm rods. Okay, I have around, they're purple in color, they're around 24. I got these palm rods, I have the bag. I bought this palm, they're called the cold wave rods. They're 12 in a pack, and I bought 2 of them. I've had them for about a month or something. Yeah, I guess a month or something. I've had them for around a month or a month and a half now, and there are 12 of them in a pack. I bought them at Super Cosmetics in town, in the CBD. So, and I think they were around 90 shillings. So it costed me around 200 shillings in total. I'll be taking down the palm rods tomorrow morning, on Sunday morning, before I go to church, and I don't want to wake up to find that my hair is still wet, because that will just be a disaster. Yeah, I want my hair to be dry in the long run. So what I do is I dampen it so that I give my hair ample time to dry up. So I want my hair to dry, because if I make it wet, disaster. So you see, so the thing with this shea butter is that you can't, I don't think you guys can see it, but this shea butter is grainy. Yeah, and if you use it just like that, like if I take a little bit of it and just apply it on my hair like that, tomorrow morning when I wake up and undo my hair, I'll have some whitish residue, which is not cute. So what I do is I take just a little bit of it, because a little bit of it goes a long way. I think this thing will last me so long. So I just take a little bit of it, or probably use 2 fingers to measure the amount of shea butter that I want, and then I place it on my palm and then warm it up so that the grainy look to it disappears, because if I use it like that, again, disaster. So this is what it looks like, but I want a fuller look, so I have to separate the curls. It looks a little bit fuller than it was before. Like, it looks much more vibrant, but still not yet. So I'm going to use my afro comb to pick up the roots. I'm not going to pick up my hair, like pick up my hair up until the tips. I'm just doing it on the roots so that I have a kind of voluminous look to it. So this is the end result. I actually like how it looks like. So let me move closer to show you guys how it looks like. So this is the end result. I love how the curls came out. I love the flat twist. I love the overall look of this hairstyle, and I hope you do so as well. So if you liked this hairstyle, please don't forget to comment on the comment section below and tell me what exactly you liked about the video. And also, if you like this kind of videos on natural hair, don't forget to click the subscribe button on your right side, and also don't forget to like this video. So that's all for now. See you some other time. Bye bye.